Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in day 21 of the July postcard play hosted by Carrie Griffiths. And I have got this bit of a wipe off jelly print, so I'm going to use that. And I like all the textures, and I have this image that has some blue in it, and I just thought I could do something with all of this. So I hope everybody's doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. Well, I'm doing pretty good, so I think I'm going to lay that down there. If I can't use this one, I'll use this, and I just circled the 21. But I really like the big numbers here, so I may use those. And I'm sorry I did not get this. And I don't really, well, you do have that white core, so let me go ahead and get these. Try to have the things inked for you beforehand, so you don't have to just watch me ink, but it doesn't always work that way. Okay, and I don't ink my father. Sorry about that. Trying to get videos going and left and right here. Okay, so I want to tuck that maybe like that. I've got that one. Maybe I don't know, leaves should be kind of coming that way, I think. And we have got these. I don't know if that's too much. I love how the blues play off of each other. Let's see, maybe a label or ticket or something of some sort. See, I like that. Maybe something kind of like that. And I might put the other half up top. I don't know. All right. So let me cut this down. It up under this one up here. Well, I need to remember to let me clip these corners because I like the shape better. Maybe something like that. I like that. Determined to use that, aren't I? We'll see. Okay. Now I do need to ink these. I believe these are Tracy Fox labels, if I'm not mistaken. All right. Now let me get my 21 down, because it's going to be on the bottom. Tilt it just a little bit. I love these old numbers. It reminds me, it's like a church. We have a board that says how many people have come. You know, small churches keep track of things like that. I think I'm going to add just a little bit of cheesecloth. So let me get this down. Yeah, so let me get that down. And now get this. Went up just a tad, yeah, just a tad. If that's too much, I can just cut it down just a tad. All right. One good thing about art glitter glue, it sticks fast when you want it to stick fast. Alright, so let me get this down. I enjoy doing the magazine fodder. I did one yesterday, and so I thought I would come back out. I think it's fun, and I like when you can get colors that go with your background and image as well. Just makes it fun and unique. Okay. See if I can, I like to let that little bit hang over like that. And let me get my leaf. Let's see here. Yeah, I think I like it there. Oh, and I did not do my corners. How many of you were yelling at me? Okay. Good grief, Susan. I know better than that. Okay. Now, okay. under there just a little. Okay, now I want to put that there. And this one up here. Maybe. Is it too much? Kind of feel like I need something right there. So I think I'm going to put it there. I like it at the bottom as well. But I've got so much down there. And I feel like this is a little bit empty. All right. I love it. I think that's pretty. I like that blue. Now for my splatters. So let me Alrighty then. Number 21 done. Alright. Now I did clip off my flowers. I forgot to show you that, and I inked around it. So there is number 21 done. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. I love you. Be sure and check out Carrie's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag GelyPostcardPlay, and that's GELY. I have it listed in my description box down below. So until next time, bye y'all.